Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have 9 different job leads, and because of that, to keep it as short as possible, I don't have the Glassdoor pages pulled up for any of these companies. We have quite a few big companies like U-Haul and Zillow and Zoom and LuLulemon, so I figured there was no need. We do have some smaller companies in here. I'm trying to throw a little bit of something in for everyone. We've got one that's graphic design. I know somebody in the comments was looking for something like that. We're going to dive all in. The links to all these pages, if you want to put applications in, are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Please also share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But first up, we have the company LuLulemon. They are the big athletic clothing retailer in malls across the United States. Of course, all of these jobs that I'm sharing are going to be for the United States only, but they are looking for a senior employee relations specialist, one specifically for the U.S. East Coast. I know I've seen people in the comments looking for human resources type jobs, but they are looking for somebody to function and support people and culture within their business. So this means you'll lead investigations and support the employee relations consultation, engaging with legal partners like inclusion, diversity, equity, action, making sure employee relations matters are taken care of, mitigating the risk for the people and the business. So you'll determine what requires investigation versus just what requires a consultation, and working cross-functionally with different partners. You're going to review and make recommendations regarding investigation strategies and outcomes needed for actions and resolutions. So this is when employees report problems to HR. You'll support and update the investigating practices and just identify and foster relationships with those key leaders, especially with people and culture. So you're going to be looking to help just keep and make LuLulemon even more diverse and with their equity and inclusion. Now it says that they're looking for somebody who has a degree or certifications in human resources or equivalent work experience. It doesn't look like they will specifically require a bachelor degree if you have certifications or training in things like conflict resolution, project management, and workplace investigations. You do have to have 5 years of human resources experience with 3 years experience leading complex workplace investigations, strong communication skills, great organizational skills, be detail-oriented, and of course you've got to be a team player and a problem solver. Pay for this position though is anywhere from $77,400 a year all the way up to $101,500 a year. Now, there is another position in this video that pays up to $99,000 a year, and that $99,000 a year broken down to 52 weeks in 40 hours in a work week is going to be $47 an hour. So this one can potentially pay even more than that. Moving right along though, we have a healthcare company, Devoted Health, is looking for a practice associate. So their practice associate would just support the administrative needs of the new programs through Devoted Medical, from process design and problem escalation. You'll maintain positive relationships with the provider or doctor groups, making sure to keep a productive relationship with all of them. You'll maintain the back office infrastructure, like including electronic medical records, fax lines, and visit scheduling systems. So you're just going to keep up the calendars for the clinical staff. You'll onboard and offboard, which means hiring and letting go or people moving on of all the employees, just assisting with maintaining all the clinician files. Now, they're not requiring any kind of a college degree, just somebody who has 2 years of professional experience, at least one of which is in some kind of a medical administrative or medical group, someone who has skills in managing schedules and day-to-day details of running a business. You've got to be a self-starter and excel at problem solving. But if that sounds like you, pay for this position is anywhere from $23.85 an hour all the way up to $31.90 an hour. Of course, they're going to offer that standard benefit package. Next up, we have the company Zoom. Now, Zoom is where you do online meetings, so they have become a staple in the work from home world. They are looking for a business development representative. This is again remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody to deliver happiness to their prospects and customers. So you're going to research prospective businesses with the goal of generating qualified opportunities for their sales team. You're trying to get these businesses to come on to Zoom. So you're going to complete about 100 outbound activities a day. These might not all be calls. It might be between calls, emails, social, selling, direct mail, video messages, all kind of things like that. But you're going to try to get them to join the Zoom platform, trying to achieve quarterly qualified opportunity quotas, partnering with the sales team to prioritize select accounts, effectively communicating with your executives to address any business needs, just maintaining and updating the Salesforce system with all of the things that you're doing. Now, they are requiring somebody who can work Monday through Friday, normal business hours, so this is going to be a daytime job. Somebody who is great with those interpersonal skills. You can build partnerships and work collaboratively with others. Someone who can deliver communications that convey a clear understanding of the unique needs of different audiences. So someone who is an active listener and can learn what different people need. You've got to be great with learning too, but no college degree is needed. And this one is paying anywhere from $53,300 a year all the way up to $99,900 a year. Again, that $99,000 mark is $47 an hour. But if you've ever traveled, you might be familiar with Hilton hotels. They're hiring a guest engagement specialist for their executive customer relations team. Now, please note, even though they do have a specific location marked, it does say the location for this position is virtual remote. But they're basically looking for somebody to provide that excellent customer service, responding in a consultative manner using discovery principles to uncover the needs of the customer and match the appropriate Hilton solution or offering to that customer. You do need to have a work environment and home office that is free of noise and distractions. You also have to participate in virtual training, but you're just going to be a basic customer service for Hilton, just making sure that anything the customer needs is taken care of. They are looking for somebody who has 3 years of steady job experience, steady work experience. They would like somebody who does have customer service experience and somebody who has had at least 1 year in a position where you had to meet specific metrics or goals. So like a performance-driven position. They would like somebody who has 6 months experience with GES 2 or 3, somebody who can write and communicate in English, and somebody who has had no prior corrective actions and gotten in trouble at their job before. Now, pay for this position is going to be anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year. And they do have a standard benefit package. They also have some good benefits as far as a travel program for their employees where you get 100 nights of discounted travel with room rates as low as $40 a night. And right now, in the times we are living in, that is unheard of. Now, I've seen in the comments before that people are looking for tech support, help desk support, or just customer service roles in general. So next up, we have Parts Tech. They have a customer support representative tier 2 role. This is remote for the United States, but you will be helping existing users get the most value out of Parts Tech. Your day-to-day tasks are going to be troubleshooting failed orders, reviewing tier 2 tickets, and working on non-standard projects. So they're looking for somebody to take personal ownership of those customer issues from beginning to end, making sure that you can solve them by diagnosing any software issues they have, developing and communicating solutions to help the customers move forward and get the most out of that Parts Tech software. You're going to work closely with not only the customers, but also partners to effectively resolve issues in a timely manner. You might have to do this through phone, email, and chat on the Salesforce force platform, triaging any income requests, and just identifying trends and patterns, and of course escalating those trends up so they can get resolved. They are looking for somebody who has 5 years of help desk or customer service experience, someone who has experience helping others use web-based platforms. So you have to have a deep understanding, know how to navigate web-based technologies, use a computer very well. They would like somebody who has experience using Salesforce, Slack, Google Suites, or different software like that, and somebody who's self-motivated. Now, pay for this position is $55,000 a year. That's a little over $8,000 a week. That is your base pay. You also get annual bonuses with this position. Real quickly, I do just want to mention again that I am always looking out for jobs that you are actually looking for and trying to share them. So if you have anything specific that you're looking for, please feel free to leave that in the comments. And again, if you're enjoying these job leads so far, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But with that being said, Zillow, the big real estate company, is hiring a fraud specialist. But as a fraud specialist, they're looking for somebody to review and investigate listing related issues with customer concerns for their national brands, which is not only Zillow, but Trulia and Hot Pads as well. You'll work closely with real estate professionals, consumers, and fellow Zillow members. So you're basically going to be reviewing and responding to user-generated reports regarding the accuracy, availability, or legitimacy of listings that Zillow has on their website, responding to those customer support tickets regarding listings and accounts, working with the operations and product teams to improve the monitoring software that Zillow has, trying to keep fraudulent listings away. You'll work with other members of the team to fine-tune and build any different internal policies that you're following, just monitoring and reviewing this listing queue, taking actions towards making sure those listings are valid and of quality. Now, pay for this position is going to be anywhere from $27.30 an hour all the way up to $43.70 an hour. Now, Zillow is going to require a bachelor degree, but they don't say it has to be in any specific field. They do want somebody who has customer service experience, strong analytical skills, so you can look at data and kind of analyze that and find where the problem is, someone who is quick to identify fraud trends, and somebody who's comfortable in a fast-paced environment. Next up, we have the company Mosaic. Now, Mosaic is only hiring in certain states. Those states are listed right at the top here, but they're looking for an accounts payable specialist. And as an accounts payable specialist, you're going to ensure accurate and timely payment of any vendor invoices, making sure they're coded to the appropriate general ledger in the accounting software, and ensuring receipts of goods and services are on file. You'll also ensure accurate and timely payment of any leases, providing resolution to vendors and employee inquiries, ensure all purchasing card transactions have receipts in compliance with Mosaic's policies, just making sure timely payment of employee expenses are done, including coding them to the appropriate general ledger and documenting anything, making sure you have documentation supporting the expenses. Now, this is going to be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. daytime shift role. It is paying anywhere from $17 an hour up to $20 an hour. And they are going to require an associate's degree in some kind of business or accounting field and 2 years of experience in accounting, somebody who has a basic understanding of those accounting principles, great communication skills, and great attention to detail. But moving right along, we have the truck rental company U-Haul hiring a U-Box agent full-time. But they're looking for somebody to work remotely in their customer sales and support department. You'll provide support to customers with existing businesses, helping them make changes to reservations, answering any general U-Haul questions they have, just helping them with concerns, and taking their storage payments as well. So you will take payments over the phone. You'll report any customer concerns or complaints up, serving them by quoting any rental prices, earning new business through sales, and cross-selling. You'll also do some scheduling like the U-Box pickup, shipping, delivery, just assisting customers with truck, trailer towing, and any storage business needs that they need. Say needs 10 times fast. Goodness gracious. I need to expand my vocabulary. But anyways, they are looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer support experience, somebody who has great communication skills and can use a computer with great typing skills. Of course, you've got to be able to multitask. They are not requiring any kind of college degree though. Now they do start you off at $14.50 an hour, but then they give you opportunities for bonuses and stuff that say you can earn from anywhere from $17 to $20 an hour when those bonuses are in effect. And last but not least, we have the company Textnow looking for a graphic designer. I did see somebody in the comments recently leave something about graphic design. I haven't seen very many of those. But again, if I come across anything that I know has been mentioned in the comments, I will share. But Textnow is looking for somebody to produce high quality, goal-oriented designs that reflect their brand and resonate with their customers. You're going to partner with different teams like user acquisition, social, product, sales, because you're going to be making different graphics for all of these different departments, helping deliver compelling visual content based on the creative briefs. You'll work alongside any copywriters to adjust content as needed so it goes along with the copy and story, brainstorming and contributing any fresh ideas and concepts. Now they are looking for someone with 3 years of professional experience in some kind of graphic design, advertising, or digital content production. Someone who's experienced working as part of a marketing brand. Of course, you got to know how to use those graphic design programs like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, great communication skills, and a passion for performance data. You want your designs to perform for the company. Now, unfortunately for this one, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.